the moment, let's shift our attention to another big story of the day. What's happening in Karnataka? Karnataka is, of course, witnessing a major political development. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has stepped down, submitting his resignation to the governor in Bengaluru and paving the way for the Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar to take oath as the next Chief Minister. All eyes are now on the Congress Legislature Party meeting that is scheduled for 4 p.m. today. MLAs are expected to formally endorse the leadership change. The Congress High Command, including Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi, are overseeing this phased transition along with the cabinet reshuffle. However, the final composition of the new cabinet is still being worked out. Let's get you breaking updates now coming in. D.K. Shivkumar is currently at a hotel meeting the Congress top brass. Randeep Surjewala as well as K.C. Venugopal are part of this meeting. This is a meeting ahead of the CLP meeting that is scheduled to take place shortly. So for the Congress party, a lot of negotiations are going on because discussions, we are told, is still going on the names of who will be part of the cabinet. As these discussions go on, in a short while from now, the CLP meeting is also scheduled to take place. At 4 p.m, when the party leaders meet, they will be formally electing D.K. Shivkumar as the leader, which means that decks are completely cleared and becomes now formal that D.K. Shivkumar is set to become the Chief Minister. After which, of course, we will also get a confirmation on the same from the Congress party. My colleague Neha Hebale is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Neha, it is, of course, clear that D.K. Shivkumar will be the Chief Minister of Karnataka soon, and that CLP meeting is going to be very crucial. But it looks like even now there are discussions going on the cabinet formation. What are the details?
Well, Pratibha, that's right. As far as, D.K. Shivkumar's cabinet now is concerned, those are decisions and discussions, of course, that would be held after he formally takes oath. What we do know is that he had indeed traveled to Delhi and held discussions with the High Command on this front, but likely that there is going to be a round 2 of discussions after the CLP and after he's officially met the governor to stake claim. Now, of course, what's also important here is to mention that the Congress High Command would have in front of itself, a big challenge now as far as keeping the entire flock together is concerned. There are a lot of aspects that need to be considered here on the front of caste lines, on the front of social status, on the front of loyalists of both senior leaders here who are, of course, trying to get their men inducted into the cabinet. But we'll really have to wait and see. What we gather from our sources is that at least 9 people would be taking oath along with Mr. D.K. Shivkumar on June 3rd.
Okay, all right. Stay with us, Neha. So D.K. Shivkumar is currently holding these meetings with Randeep Surjewala as well as K.C. Venugopal, and of course Siddaramaiah as the outgoing Karnataka Chief Minister. K.C. Venugopal, the Congress Secretary, is also in this meeting, and so is Randeep Singh Surjewala. But let's get you breaking updates now coming in. As Neha was pointing out, D.K. Shivkumar is likely to take oath on the 3rd of June or the 5th. At least 9 ministers will be taking oath with D.K. Shivkumar on the decided date. That's the information now coming in. As of now, little details, smaller details, finer details are being worked out on who will be part of the cabinet. Like we mentioned, the caste questions, also ensuring that the loyalists of Siddaramaiah also get a space. There are discussions that are still ongoing on the same. But we're told the oath-taking ceremony could be either on the 3rd of June or on the 5th of June.
Joining with us is senior leader and probably the next president of the Congress Party of Karnataka, Mr. Satish Jarkali. Sir, it's almost confirmed you are going to be the next party president. Is going to have announced the CLP, sir?
Not yet confirmed. अभी तो confirm नहीं हुआ है. शाम तक देखेंगे. सुरजेवाला साहब केसी वेणु जी आ रहा है. आने के बाद सिद्धरामैया जी और D.K. शिवकुमार जी चर्चा होने के बाद उसका नतीजा निकलेंगे. शाम तक नहीं तो कल तक वेट करेंगे.
सर ऑलमोस्ट CLP है. क्या आप उसको रन डाउन करेंगे? क्या होने वाला है CLP में, सर?
CLP तो वो सिर्फ CLP का है, फॉर्मल मीटिंग है. D.K. शिवकुमार CLP लीडर बनेंगे, उसका ही मीटिंग है. बाकी कुछ नहीं. और ये अध्यक्ष का बाद में शायद चर्चा हो जाएंगे.
कुछ इश्यूज हैं सर अध्यक्ष को लेकर? क्या आपके कुछ डिमांड्स हैं उसको लेकर?
नहीं, कुछ डिमांड नहीं. क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है ये तो वरिष्ठ लोग हैं, वो करेंगे.
सर कैबिनेट एक्सपेंशन का कुछ उसका
पता नहीं. वो वहाँ तक अभी तक हम नहीं गए. उसके बाद में देखेंगे.
ठीक है सर.
जिस बेदर्दी के साथ, जिस क्रूरता के साथ और राहुल गांधी ने सिद्धारमैया जो वहाँ के पिछड़े समाज के एक बहुत मजबूत नेता थे, उनको ढकेल करके बाहर किया है। उससे राहुल गांधी पूरी तरह एक्सपोज हो गए हैं और सिर्फ दो ही काम करते हैं, दलित पिछड़ा, दलित पिछड़ा, दलित पिछड़ा। अकेला प्रदेश जहाँ एक पिछड़ा वर्ग का आदमी मजबूती के साथ सत्ता पर बैठा हुआ था, उन्होंने निकाल के उसको मक्खी की तरह, जैसे दूध में से मक्खी फेंकते हैं वैसे ही सिद्धारमैया को निकाल के फेंक दिया। वो अच्छी तरह इस बात को जानते हैं कि इस बियावन जंगल में आकर के वो गायब हो जाएंगे। वो वहाँ लड़े रहना चाहते हैं क्योंकि उनके अहंकार को चोट पहुंची है, उनके स्वाभिमान को चोट पहुंची।
Let's go across to my colleague Imran getting us these details. So Imran, last minute decision still going on and clearly these negotiations are still ongoing, but in a short while from now it will be clear when DK Shivakumar will be taking oath. What are you picking up on the 9 people who will be taking oath with DK Shivakumar? Who will these leaders be? And is the Congress party looking at balancing the caste equations or the power equations within the party?
Well, absolutely. In fact, the vote-taking ceremony will likely to happen on June 3rd, and many of the senior ministers in the senior leadership of the last cabinet ministers will be there part of it, like Priyank Kharge, M.B. Patil, and Parmeshwara. Others, all like the senior ministers, will be inducted in the cabinet on the 10th or the 3rd of June, along with the Chief Minister DK Shivakumar. As we speak, in a very short while from now, the CLP meeting will happen here in Vidhan Sauda, where all the MLAs will come. His name will be presented for the Chief Minister, and discussion will happen, and those names will be taken to Delhi. And from Delhi, the name will be announced of both the Chief Minister and also the party president.
Okay.
It will be a discussion where the CLP happens. That's the procedure in the Congress party. But the hectic parley is happening over the issue of party president. But still, Satish Jarkali is resisting as they want both party president post and also of the minister.
Okay, all right. Imran, thank you for joining us with all those details. With that, it's time for us to slip into a very short break here. We'll be right back. Stay with us.